So let's look at a wild system that turns construction waste into a valuable resource, all using smart software. You know, on a messy construction site, this one simple fact creates a huge, expensive headache for everyone. And in Ontario, 2 new regulations just created a burn-the-boats moment. Old ways of disposal? Not an option anymore.
So now there's huge pressure to sort waste perfectly on site, but as you can imagine, that's almost impossible.
This really isn't about waste disposal, it's a total shift in thinking, manufacturing something new from old materials.
The whole idea is to act like a digital refinery, taking messy wood waste and turning it into pure biocarbon.
Okay, this whole thing runs on a 5-layer software stack. Let's break down how it actually works.
All right, first up is Layer 1, the intake module. Think of it as the front line for quality control. There's a mobile app with on-device AI that instantly sorts wood. It catches problems before a truck is even loaded. But the system is smart. It knows a simple camera can't spot something like arsenic in old wood. Next up, Layer 2, the logistics core. This part tackles the challenge of moving all that bulky wood.
You don't want to haul air long distances, right? So a hub-and-spoke model processes it all centrally.
Then we have Layer 3, the regulatory module. This automates all that tricky legal paperwork.
And here's the key. The AI doesn't just guess. It searches the actual text of the law. No hallucinating.
Layer 4 is the financial module, and this is where it gets really clever, turning compliance into cash. It basically gamifies the billing. Sort correctly, and you can watch that provincial waste tax on your bill drop to 0.
And get this, there's another payoff. Each ton of wood can also generate valuable carbon removal certificates.
But that leads to the big question, right? How can you be absolutely sure that mobile AI got it right?
Well, that brings us to the final and maybe most important layer, the scientific validation, or truth layer.
See, the mobile AI makes a really good guess, but the central hub, that provides the hard chemical proof.
It uses these super advanced sensors to see what a camera can't, things like chemical preservatives and heavy metals.
All this truth data then feeds back into a machine learning loop, making that mobile AI smarter over time. So you see, it's not just trusting the user. It's verifying everything chemically. It's actual manufacturing.
Which leaves you with a pretty cool question. What other waste out there is really just a database waiting to be built?